Good night, baby elephant. Lullaby night story. The night is settling gently over the jungle. Little one, the stars are waking up, stretching their tiny lights across the sky. And the moon is slipping into her soft silver pajamas. Glowing like a quiet guardian above the treetops. Deep in the heart of the warm, peaceful jungle. Baby elephant has had a big, beautiful day. He splashed in the river with his tiny trunk, spraying water everywhere like sparkling diamonds. He walked through the tall grass that tickled his little feet. He played with butterflies that danced around him like floating colors. And now his sweet round body is getting sleepy. Baby elephant rubs his tiny eyes with his soft little trunk. He lifts his chubby legs and stretches them out. And in a gentle whisper he says, "Night, night, little friend. It's time to rest." He looks around for the perfect place to sleep. A place cozy. A place safe. A place where dreams can find him easily. He finds a soft bed of leaves under a glowing moonbeam. The ground feels warm and gentle beneath him, like a big jungle hug. He curls his trunk close to his chest, tucks his little legs under him, and settles in with a tiny sigh of comfort. Baby elephant feels grateful for the day he had, for the sunshine on his back, for the laughter in the river, for the friends who made him smile, and for the jungle that always keeps him safe. He listens to the night, the soft hum of crickets, the gentle sway of the trees, the distant lullaby of the river flowing slowly under the moonlight. And then the fireflies arrive. Tiny glowing fireflies. Little twinkling lanterns drifting through the warm night air. They float around baby elephant like tiny stars that came down from the sky just to keep him company. They glow softly, moving slowly. Guiding sweet dreams toward him with their warm golden light. The wind joins in, singing a quiet lullaby, a lullaby only the jungle knows. and the moon sprinkles sleepy sparkles over baby elephant's resting place like gentle kisses of silver light. Baby elephant smiles because he knows you're drifting to dreamland too. He feels connected to you, heart to heart, dream to dream. Baby elephant closes his eyes. Slowly, softly. And the whole jungle becomes calm, warm and safe. Have sweet dreams. Good night, little one.